None of us know what we're doing, bro.
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube? Mar 2 here. Mar 1. We got, you know, the Mar 3. Yeah. Alright, bro. That's enough.
I ain't gonna lie, this is a beautiful engine, y'all, boys. Y'all see the turbo?
This sits so good, bro.
Look at the turbo, y'all.
Turbo? Ain't no turbo in there, bro. That's us. I didn't do nothing.
He don't got no turbo.
He does.
I know.
This is the intake. It's gonna suck off for that, the cheap one.
It's the thing that replaced with the cold air, right?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, YouTube. What's up, YouTube? Fit of the day. What you got on?
The hat on black, bro.
Yeah, take that. Yeah, you see?
We got the Gucci right here, bro. We got the Prada right here, bro. You know what it is, bro?
Uh-huh.
And this right here, bro. Louis Vuitton, bro.
I thought that said polo.
You ain't even know that.
I ain't gonna lie, for my fit of the day, you know, we got Puma Speed Cats. Yeah. Got this hoodie, hair done, you feel me? Accessories, rings, chain. You know, I ain't gonna lie, man. It's really my YouTube channel now. They don't really be doing that. So today, we got the Elantra N 2025.
It's 23, bro. I'm kidding, bro. 25.
2025. You feel me? See, now I said in the last video, we was going to install the intake, but I lied. Lord forgive me.
Well, who said that? I mean, technically didn't lie, because we are going to install it. Just not first.
This video.
Yeah.
You recording me? You should record like them right now.
Oh, they want to see the car. They want to see you, bro.
So, yeah, and the greatest thing about this, bro, is we don't know what we're doing. So on this whole channel, y'all gonna learn just like we gonna learn. Y'all gonna watch us become some real life mechanics. Simply put, yeah, we're just lucky ones. And he's a dad.
Yeah, bro. We're going to learn together, bro. That's a good part, but it's going to be an experience, all right? It's going to be an experience. And he did all that drip to come work on cars, bro. Rings and everything. Smartest mechanic. Like you can't get me home. Like you can't get me home.
No, we're not.
Stink, bro.
Don't get this gun. You know what you should get?
A Bible.
Exactly. But I just want to inform y'all, if y'all ever need some gas, call Gas Pro.
But it there for
Grip for the day, now mind you, hold on, pause, mind y'all, it's 20 degrees outside, and he went to put it on the coat.
Low-key, I feel
While having shorts.
I feel like you're not black, bro. Black people don't do this. Bro, what? White people.
Yes, it is.
No, white people.
Let me tell you something, bro.
No, what?
Give us the fit of the day.
No brand sweater, bro. A black shirt.
Quarters, you got a quarter zip on?
Yeah, I got a quarter zip on.
Bro, you got like 8 of them.
Yes, I do. I got a blue, a gray, and a black. Great day, bro. You know, I got my shorts. Stay lonely. You know.
That's depressing. That's depressing.
So I'm calling it simple, bro. Bruh. Alright, guys, man. So out here right now.
Try again.
Alright, man.
Today we got.
What's up, YouTube? Today we got. Yeah. What you say? We got. Well, we got shit all over the place, man. Typical black, bro. We got this on tape. You think you want to follow up with it? Okay. This is Teflon tape, bro.
Mm-hmm.
What you basically gonna do with this is
Tape something, obviously.
you gonna line the threads, bro. This crap, Teflon tape, bro. You gonna line the thread these, bro. Basically help us seal in this, bro. You screw this in, bruh.
Yeah.
Put it in, bruh.
Okay.
Put a hard black thing in there.
Okay.
In the hole.
Yeah.
What? I didn't use protect. I didn't use it.
Mario, bro.
Protecting, bro.
What? Yeah.
I don't do that.
Shout out to Johnny, bro. We're proud of him. No, one of us next.
Johnny probably deep right now.
Don't worry about his ashy knuckles, guys. But you know, he's trying to figure out how to rap it. Teach you these things.
Why you gotta do so recklessly, bro? What if you cut my finger, bro?
He's back.
What you gonna do about it now? I said I'm sorry. You gonna stab me? Just remember, you got 2 kids. One more left.
No, he don't. Obviously, that's why he got 3 kids. Like, obviously, bro.
The back end right here?
That don't cut off.
No, we're not, bro. Let's get edited. Hey, bro, y'all suck.
The moon's not shining. I need storage.
I'm glad y'all helping, bro.
Just send it, bro.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, because we're definitely helping. I'm literally holding it for him while he screws it. Yo!
He did 0.5 of a step, not even step 1. Yeah, you know. So this is what it's gonna look like, you know. I guess when he does it, it's gonna go like right here.
I'll put the asshole.
Oh, here?
Yeah, I'll put this one. What I'm supposed to do in the racks do, bro?
What you supposed to do in the race? Where you supposed to spend it?
He cut me. I'm gonna let this do it, bro. 1 year later, right?
Yeah.
1 year later. I mean,
Yes, 1 year.
No.
1 year later.
It's
nigga.
not 1 year later.
1
It's
year
literally
later,
3
nigga. You was a
3
kid,
months.
nigga. No.
3 months.
1 year later, nigga. Yes, I'm hearing myself.
1 year later? 1 year later, bro? Really? 1 year later?
Yo, what's up with you, bro?
Hey, shout out to all the veterans that fought for our country, but yeah, we still ain't free for real. So
We'll never be free. You're not free? I'm free, bro. God made me free. Yeah, God made me free, bro. Jesus made me free. Remember what he said? He died on the cross and made me free, bro.
who the sun sets free, he said, is free indeed.
Exactly.
That's what he said.
That makes sense, though. The sun is gone, bro. Alright, guys, so right now we are about to. So we found out how to.
Yo, found out a little bit about the stuff, bro.
Okay.
That was just about to do it.
Alright.
I'm catching it, bro. Little by little, bro. Fiddle by fiddle.
Catching the
Little
catch
by
can?
little, bro. Huh?
How was you sweating?
In the cold.
Oh, so easy, bro. So easy, bro. People out there.
So yeah, so he's
like
gonna
me,
he's removing the bolt. I don't know what this bolt kind of.
He's moving
removing the bolt for the
catch can defibrillator. So then that
The what? You said he's removing the catch can incubator.
yeah, so that the defibrillator so that the defibrillator can go inside.
Bro's
So-
talking like he's smart, bro.
So when the baby oil
Yo, okay. Did a disciple?
You know what? I feel like this probably wasn't the best spot to put this.
It's not.
No, like, because now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna screw this.
Screw it. Yeah. Don't you have the long one like him? Oh no, you don't. Alright, bro, you do you, bro.
What you saying? What happened?
I forgot.
Go where?
It's gonna help kill him.
It's gonna be small movements, bro.
Small movements.
Yeah. Small movements, bro.
Alright, boys. We got it installed.
What?
piece of it actually. You know, we just got the can. We still have to
Undo
hook
the
up the
hose,
hose. We have to undo this with the pliers. This is what we're gonna do right now. But we got it in.
Yeah.
And you know it's tight enough. So all right.
We're just
We'll go.
do this next, and then we're gonna get back to you after that.
All right, boys
Girls.
and girls, guys. All right, guys, we finally got it off. This is what it's gonna look like. If you guys don't notice what we're talking about, is this piece and this piece
Right here, so you gotta take this off right here.
it was a tiny. Where did you put it? It was this. Yeah. Remove this thing right here sucks. This sucks.
It sucks so bad. Look, so a little trick, right? I went for the trick, but maybe look. Let me first get this out of here. I'm no mechanic, okay? I'm no mechanic. I like cars, and I find it fun to work on my own. You know, he finds it fun to work on his own. You know, when Mari get off his legs, he gonna find it fun to work on his own. You know what I'm saying?
You understand?
Hey, you know, I find it, you know, fun instead of bringing to a mechanic shop. You know, we get to do it ourselves. You know, if it just make you feel more. I'm not gonna use the word connected because I don't get connected to material. It just, but you understand what I'm saying.
It's like you get a better understanding, like
Yeah,
a better
you know,
grasp of
you
what you're
feel more
doing.
accomplished.
Yeah,
You
you
feel
feel
more
like, you know, you would feel like since you did this,
Yeah.
you're like, you feel more, as you just say, accomplished because
Yeah.
you did that.
But anyway, look, the thing is gonna be back here, bro. This little clamp right here, it's gonna face back here. When you clamp it, don't try to pull it up. Twist it around. If you need to clamp it again, twist it around to come over here, so then you can slide up.
And make
it's gonna be- it's
sure
gonna
that
be
you
easier.
have a
Flathead.
a flathead.
Yeah, a flathead to kind of like ease it off. You don't
Yeah.
have a flathead, you have like a multi-tool, it works too. That's what I'm using, but the flathead works too. We're gonna get back to you for the next one.
Right now, we're screwing on the outlet on it, the outlet hose. Then we're gonna, you know, connect this part right here to it right here. But we're gonna figure that out.
Yeah, see how this is run it.
We're gonna see what's like the best position or the best way how to run it,
Can bend.
and like see which way we can bend it, because we wouldn't want to have to cut it if we don't have to. I mean, there's nothing wrong cutting it if you know how to cut it and stuff and like measure it properly, and you guys can do that. But we know on the other hand, Robin.
This is the bomb back, guys.
Alright guys, I'm just gonna give you all a little heads up. This is what it looks like now with the outlet on. We're about to put the inlet on, and then that's about it. And then we're just about to wrap up after this.
Cool tip too, just turn these upwards when you're doing it. It's easier.
Yeah.
Just simply keep it upwards, and now we're just gonna put the inlet hose on it, and then with that way, tighten that, and then connect it there. And we're gonna show you what is finished. When it's finished, what it look like. Be right back.
I gotta tell my back.
Alright guys, this is how it is. This how we're gonna okay, bro.
Mar 3 is back, by the way.
Mar 3 is back after he went away since yesterday.
They shooting. Niggas.
Yeah.
Boom!
But yeah, guys, so this is what it's gonna look like. You know, we finally got the inlet hose on. It's connected to here, as you guys can see.
I don't know what you're talking about, bro. Man's not you, bro.
We got the outlet hose. We connected that. It's all tight, you know.
Yes.
So yes, we're finally finished.
Now
This
just gotta-
cold weather.
I just gotta put it
Now we're just gonna put on the engine cap,
back on,
the engine cap back on, and then the video is done. Mar 3 is back. Mar 1. The whole time. Mar 2, bro. Mar 2 is here.
I guess, bro, just remember, bro, snug on these, bro. Make sure they're tight so they don't come loose, bro. I'm gonna switch these out too, bro. The fuel injectors, bro.
I mean, they don't.
Oh, I got the high pressure fuel pump too. To put right here. And fuel injectors, bro. Gonna switch them out, bro.
Alright, bro. Yes, that's our for our next video. We're trying to leave.
More one out, bro. First great danger. Oh, verse of the day, bro. Can't forget that. Verse of the
I
day.
did the one last time.
Verse of the day, bro.
Verse of the day again?
We have to do always do a verse of the day.
I'm saying I did it last time though. You want me to?
Oh, verse of the day. Verse of the day. You know what verse of the day is? No, I know the verse of the day, bro. I know the verse of the day, bro. You see, we're putting on these, bro. You know, because you know we're not mechanics, so things will be a challenge at times, right? So in life, things will be a challenge at times. So guess what the verse of the day is right now?
With God, all things is possible. Connected to the vine.
That's what I was gonna say. I was literally gonna say that. Literally, bro. Holy Spirit speaking.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me,
Bro, that was literally
God,
what I
all
was
things
gonna say.
possible, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's go. All right, man.
Mar 1.
Mar 1 out, bro.
Mar 2.
Mar 2 out, bro.
You know. We got Mar 3. Mar 3. Mar 3. Okay, bro. That's his official outro. That's his official outro, bro.